Yeah, that was good news for Corpus Christi. Now we'd like to see that same news for Medina Lake. Wouldn't that be nice?
Oh, it's been a while since we've seen any water.
4% full.
Yeah,
it is really dry out there. But we've got some rain to talk about today. In fact, we're going to begin with one of the biggest rainmakers on the planet Earth. Hurricanes. It's hurricane season. It began yesterday. June, of course, is the beginning of the season. The height of the season is typically mid-August to about mid-September. So we've got a ways before it really gets real active. But here's the forecast from Colorado State and NOAA. 14 is the average. They're thinking 13 named storms, 6 hurricanes, 2 of those 6 becoming major, which is Cat 3 or better. So it's a little below average because of an expected El Nino to keep things a little quiet in the Atlantic basin. The first name up is Arthur, then it would be Bertha, Cristobal. See if you can find your name on this year's list. Isaias is back. Omar, you can see Vicky, even Wilfred and Marco. So a lot of repeat names. Remember, the name lists recycle every few years. Our Pick City forecast, we're going up to New Braunfels, 88 waiting for you on a Wednesday. A little patchy fog to start and a 50-50 chance we see some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening in Comal County, as well as the rest of us. Rain chances are going up tomorrow. We've got plenty of humidity out there this afternoon. You can in fact see that we've got a good amount of cloud cover, a little bit of haze out there as well, and plenty of heat. Seguin's cooking up to 93 with Stockdale, Lavernia, 92 at Randolph, 91 here in the city, 90 down at Pleasanton. But the real temperature is what it feels like to your body. Your body thinks the temperature's 96 in the city, 101 at Seguin, Gonzales, 103 up at San Marcos. So this is dangerous. I mean, if you're not hydrating in the heat of the day, please make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Should be the first beverage you have in the morning, and get things started with good hydration. Severe thunderstorm warning over Houston right now. In fact, just north of downtown Houston. But you can also see some pretty good downpours kind of back building towards Victoria. Few good showers around Goliad, back towards Beeville, closer to Tilden. Everything staying south and southeast of us again today. Won't see any of this action move any closer to us, really. I mean, maybe Lavaca County, you saw that, because we do have a little developing area of low pressure in the Gulf, little trough axis it's called, but we're also watching out to the west. See this area of low pressure here deepening a bit, so that's going to help set up another southwest flow aloft, very similar to what led to all the rain in May. So we could see some of that as a trigger for some showers and thunderstorms as we get especially into Thursday and Friday. But for the next 24 hours, models are bringing some showers down tonight on the I-35 corridor. Could see a few downpours down into even Kendall County near Bernie. Nothing severe. These would just be some showers, maybe a brief thunderstorm. Then it gets quiet overnight. Here's 7 a.m. Wednesday, and we've got a few showers down to the south and east, maybe picking up a little bit by mid-morning hours, and then certainly with daytime heating popping a little bit more. Del Rio, watch out for some pretty good thunderstorms tomorrow. Again, nothing expected to go severe. This is tomorrow night with some more downpours near I-35. But, you know, we just get better chances, higher probability as we get into Thursday, Friday, and that's why we now have weather impact alerts to wrap up the work week. We're going to a 50 to 70% probability and coverage on showers and thunderstorms. So we're not looking at severe. Not just yet, but we are definitely going to be looking at some very good rain coverage. Temperatures will be a little below average thanks to the rain, and then climbing back up. Saturday, 50-50 on rain, now 30% Sunday, hanging on to an isolated shower for Monday, Tuesday. And then you can see rain chances will start to diminish as we get into mid-June.